Hop into the 2019 Audi Q5. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Express your appreciation for style and quality in this handsome Q5. Well-rounded and designed to maximize comfort and confidence, this feature-rich automobile infuses every journey with pleasure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss the chance to get behind the wheel of this beautifully crafted Q5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.